Far north, beyond cities, beyond roads, beyond the reach of ordinary maps, lies a forest so vast that it wraps around the planet like a green shadow. It stretches across Alaska, Canada, Scandinavia, and Siberia, forming a continuous belt of wilderness larger than any rainforest on Earth. This is the taiga, the boreal forest, the largest forest system the world has ever known. From above, it looks endless. Dark green rivers of trees flow over frozen land, broken only by lakes that reflect a pale, distant sky. But on the ground, the taiga feels different, quieter, colder, heavier, as if the forest itself is conserving energy in a world where survival is never guaranteed. You step into the taiga at dawn and the cold bites instantly. The air is sharp, dry, and painfully clean. Your breath turns to mist, drifting upward between towering conifers that have adapted to one of the harshest climates on Earth. These trees grow slowly, sometimes taking hundreds of years to reach full height. Their narrow needles designed to shed snow and survive months of darkness. This forest does not explode with life like the tropics, it endures. The ground beneath your feet is layered with moss, lichen, and frozen soil known as permafrost, earth that has remained frozen for thousands of years. Every step feels muted, as though sound itself struggles to travel here. The silence is not empty, it is watchful. The taiga holds nearly 1/3 of the world's forest cover. It stores more carbon than any other terrestrial ecosystem on the planet. If it breathes out, the climate shifts. If it burns, the world feels it. As you move deeper, the forest closes in. Trees stand tightly packed, their trunks straight and dark, their tops disappearing into a pale sky. Snow clings to branches even in early autumn. Somewhere far away, a low howl echoes, not loud but unmistakable. A wolf not seen, only heard. In the taiga, that is often enough. This is not a forest made for comfort. It is a forest built for endurance. And deeper inside, the taiga begins to show how life survives where warmth disappears. As daylight fades, the taiga reveals its true nature. Temperatures drop rapidly, and the forest transforms into a world of sharp shadows and blue light. Here, seasons are extreme. Winters can last 8 months. Temperatures fall below -40 degrees, and yet life persists. Tracks appear in the snow, massive paw prints stretching between trees. A moose has passed through recently, its long legs built to navigate deep snow, its body designed to retain heat and brutal cold. Nearby, smaller marks tell another story. Lynx, fox, hare. Predator and prey locked in an ancient balance. Above you, the canopy creaks softly under the weight of ice. Snow falls in slow sheets, muffling sound even further. In this forest, silence is a survival strategy. Movement is calculated. Energy is never wasted. The taiga is home to some of the planet's most resilient creatures. Brown bears hibernate for months, slowing their hearts to near stillness. Wolves hunt in coordinated packs, reading the land like a language. Migratory birds arrive for a brief, explosive summer, breeding, nesting, then fleeing before winter reclaims the forest. But the most important life here is invisible. Beneath the frozen ground, ancient carbon lies trapped in permafrost, organic matter that never fully decayed. For thousands of years, the taiga has locked it away, stabilizing Earth's climate. The forest is not just alive, and it is a global regulator. When wildfires sweep through in summer, they do not destroy the taiga. They renew it. Certain trees require fire to release their seeds. Ash enriches the soil. Destruction becomes regeneration. In this forest, even fire has a role. Night falls completely now, the sky clears, and suddenly the darkness erupts with color. The aurora borealis spills across the heavens, green, purple, blue waves of light dancing above the frozen trees. The forest stands silent beneath it, ancient and unmoved as it has stood beneath countless skies before. In moments like this, the taiga feels less like a forest and more like a boundary between Earth and the cosmos. But survival here always comes at a cost. As morning returns, the forest exhales slowly. Frost loosens its grip. Light filters through icy branches, scattering diamonds of snow across the ground. The taiga wakes not with sound but with motion. Animals emerging cautiously, trees releasing snow in soft collapses, rivers cracking beneath thick ice. You realize something standing here. This forest does not change quickly. It remembers. It remembers ice ages. It remembers shifting continents. It remembers a world before humans, and it will remember one after. Yet today the taiga is under pressure. Rising temperatures thaw permafrost that has been frozen for millennia. Wildfires burn longer and hotter. Ancient carbon escapes into the atmosphere. What once protected the planet now stands at a fragile threshold. and still the forest endures. It does not panic, it does not rush. It continues doing what it has always done, surviving, adapting, waiting. As you step back toward the edge of the trees, the cold air fills your lungs one last time. The forest stretches endlessly behind you, dark green fading into pale horizon. Wolves move unseen. Roots hold the frozen earth together. The taiga remains vast, silent, and alive. This is Earth's largest forest, its coldest green heart. A wilderness built not on abundance but on resilience. And as long as it stands, the planet remembers how to survive.